Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I am unboxing the new Villains line from the Happy Planner. It releases as part of the Back to School release, which is live on the Happy Planner website and will be on sale on May the 3rd. So they released Villains, I think, last fall, in the fall of 2021, and now we have some more pieces of the Villains line. I'm super excited to check it out. So if you want to see what is part of this release, stay tuned. All right, so these are the pieces that I received in my squad box for the spring release, and let's just do some flip throughs. So first we have a vertical planner in the big size. So I'm going to slip this off and we will check it out. So it's the vertical layout. So cool, villainous vibes. I love the purple, of course. And then the inside is this dark black. So pretty. The discs are silver plastic, so they're not metal. And it's a vertical layout. And it says, well, hello there. This Happy Planner belongs to. Look at the year ahead. 2022 and 2023. And then it starts in August. So this one goes from August 2022 through July of 2023. Love the purple. Lots of color. Then you have the green. So pretty. Wow. This is a ton of color. So if you've been missing color in your planner, this is it, friends. So August, I tried to behave, but I got bored. So cute. You have Scar right here. A little bit of like embellishment there. Nothing down the middle though. And again, you have just a little bit of color, villainous plans, and then everything else is super neutral. And I'm not seeing an extra quote or anything, so it looks like it's the same throughout. September, good to be bad. You have the evil witch from Snow White. And again, now you have purple going on, and it'll be purple throughout. So let's check out October. You have Ursula. Life is full of tough choices, isn't it? You have this gray, kind of dark purple, and that will be the same throughout. November, Up to No Good, or Hades, I think. Yeah. Blue. And sorry, it'll be blue throughout. December, so they thought they could outwit Cruella. Love that one. And that one would be the red throughout. That's pretty. Now, January, back to Scar, be prepared. So this is a repeat. February, this is from, not Snow White, that's Sleeping Beauty. She wasn't scared of the fire, she was the fire. Ooh, I like that. That's cool. Ursula again, taking matters into my own hands. I love how they continued it over to this page. I think that's pretty darn cool. April, everyone was thinking it. I just said it. With the blue foil. That's pretty. May, sorry I can't. I'm busy making villainous plans. June, I am who I am. Your approval is not needed. Nice. I like that. And then July, follow your fire. Look at that magenta foil. That is so pretty. All right, that's gorgeous. And then you have at the back, take note if you must. Little notes page, back of the planner, and then, oops. Oh, you have the little silhouettes there at the back. Little sticky stuff always is a little troublesome to get off. All right, that is beautiful. The purple is gorgeous. The big size planner. I also received the big size extension pack. I think it'll probably be similar, but it looks like we do have some different dividers. So let's see what this looks like. Perfectly Wretched, undated vertical extension pack. So it's undated. So cute with Cruella. Monthly looks the same, obviously, no dates. And this looks pretty similar. Again, very neutral, no dates. So then you have I Am Not Afraid. The extension pack is cool because if you want to start this like now, you can. Feeling Wicked, Dare to Begin. And then the extension packs come with stickers. So you have stickers so you can date your months. You have all the dates and the names and stuff like that. And then a few extra planning stickers. And a folder. That is cute. All like the symbols in the background. So that is the undated vertical extension pack in the big. I'm going to move that over. Then what else did I get? I got some filler paper in the big. So I think this is several different ones. So let's open it up and see. It's got your checklist, doc grid, the back, taking things into my own hands, dotted line in the back. So you have Scar on the first set, Scar and Ursula. The next set, this is Hades and Cruella. And is that the other half? Yeah. All right, so you have 4 of the villains on here, fronts and backs. That is filler paper, perfect for your daily planning because of the long checklist. I love that as well. Then I also received a planner accessory pack. This is in the classic size. Let's see what is in this one. So you have the bookmark with all their little symbols. You have a couple sets of post-it notes, Scar, and then Ursula. Then you get a sheet of stickers as well. Dare to Begin folder. And then this filler paper is so pretty, I think, with all their little outlines right there. I really, really like that filler paper. That's, I think, my favorite filler paper in this set. So that is pretty. That's the classic planner accessory size. And then there are 2 new sticker books. So first, let's do the big one, 247 pieces. These are clear. I tried to behave, but I got bored. I just love the like alcohol ink look in the background. So cool. This is going to pair so well with the other sticker book from earlier in the year. I like how it's like coming out the side. You know, she can be like looking over your week. This is paper. Very busy. It's cute. This is back to clear, villainous vibes, feeling wicked, dare to begin. This is paper, and I'm excited about this because I feel like you can color these. How fun would that be? Paper. This is paper as well. Paper with, it's like this black with the silver foil. This would be really pretty on the black paper that Happy Planner released in the spring. Look at that. Maleficent, the evil queen. Back to clear paper, lots of Hades. Oh, we're gonna have one for each one maybe. Maleficent. That foil is pretty. Ursula. No foil on Ursula. Cruella. Sorry, I can't. Then you have Scar. Look at the little paws. Those are adorable. And the Evil Queen in all her purple glory. That is cute. I like that. I like the more subtle foiling. So in the fall, we got all the hollow stuff, all the holographic, and this is a little bit more subtle. Love these. Here's the classic sticker book without foil. All of their like catchphrases. And I love silhouettes, I think, are some of my favorites. This one is size, is this size for big? Yeah, this is the big. These are big size boxes. Current mood. Meh, okay, villainous and extra. That's hilarious. I love that. Here's Hades. And all the boxes that kind of correspond. I like how it's all in that same color. Then you have the clear. Tons for each one. All right, and then we have Maleficent with her foiling. The boxes. Super cute. So it's kind of following the same format for each one. Ursula. And foiling on that was really pretty too. The purple foiling. Love it. So cute. Ursula, she is it. Oh, and Cruella, that one's cool. They thought they could outwit Cruella. Boxes. And then Scar in the green. Meticulous planning. So cute. Clear. And then the Evil Queen in the purple. Your approval is not needed. So lots of the individuals, which I'm kind of digging. So those are 2 of the sticker books. I assume that there's also a classic sticker book being released. Here's the classic extension pack. Then we have filler paper, the vertical extension pack in the big size, and the vertical big sized planner. So this was what I received in my squad box. I'm sure there is even more being released as part of the back to school release. Again, the whole release is being previewed on the Happy Planner website, so you can check it out right now, make your wish list, all of that. It will go live on May the 3rd. I have links down below. If you would shop my affiliate link, I would really, really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.